Let's make egusi together using the frying method. So I have my tomato, crayfish, and dried pepper as well as onions. I blended that together and added 3 scoops of my egusi powder. I mixed it up together. I poured my palm oil into my pot and I fried that until there was no water in it. I added my meat stock and I seasoned that to taste. Then I covered for it to boil for some minutes. Then I opened it up again and added my stock fish. I allowed it to cook for a little bit before going in with my smoked fish. I allowed that boil for some minutes again before I went in with my bitter leaf and my soup was ready.